DeepMind Daily fam, what's up? If you're sitting on some cash right now and wondering, should I throw it into crypto, stick with stocks, or just play it safe with a savings account? You're not alone. 2025 has changed the game. And today, we're going deep. Not just on opinions, but facts, trends, and strategies the wealthy are actually using. Stay with me. This might just save or make you thousands this year. Let's set the scene. Global inflation, easing slightly, but your dollars are still losing value every year. Interest rates, the Fed is holding at 4.25%, high enough to slow the economy, but not high enough to crush inflation. Recession fears, still lingering. AI boom, absolutely exploding. So where do you fit in? You've got three big choices: crypto, stocks, or savings. Let's break them down one by one, no fluff. Let's talk about the wild child, crypto. 2025 has been big for crypto. Why? Bitcoin ETFs were approved in 2024, bringing institutional money pouring in. Bitcoin crossed 100K briefly, but now hovering around 85Ks. Ethereum's merge is fully optimized, and gas fees are down 70%. Governments are rolling out CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, pushing people back to decentralized coins for privacy. But here's the twist. 60% of crypto holders from 2021 never recovered. 1 in 4 Gen Z investors say crypto is their retirement plan. Should you invest? If you're young, can stomach volatility, and want high growth potential, yes, but never more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Don't YOLO into meme coins. Focus on projects with real use cases like Chainlink, Arbitrum, or Layer 0. Now onto stocks, your boomer uncle's favorite. But stocks in 2025, way more exciting than you think. AI companies like Nvidia, Palantir, and even Meta are seeing ridiculous growth. The Magnificent Seven, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, still dominate. But surprise winners, green energy, semiconductors, and even India-based tech companies. The S&P 500 is up 12.5% year to date, while the NASDAQ is flying at over 18%. Should you invest? Absolutely. This is where smart, long-term money still lives, and even with volatility, stocks give you ownership and innovation. Use index funds like VTI or QQQ if you're lazy, but smart. Okay, now savings. Let's be honest. In 2021, savings accounts were a joke. 0.01% interest, come on. But 2025? High-yield savings accounts are offering 4.5% to 5.25%. T-bills, government bonds at nearly 5.4%. CDs locking in 5.5 to 6% if you're willing to freeze cash for 1 to 2 years. This is not useless anymore. If you want, emergency funds, short-term goals. Sleep at night. Then savings accounts are essential. Just don't expect to get rich. Leaving large amounts in regular bank savings? Your money is slowly dying to inflation. Here's where things get real. Most people want a simple answer, like, just tell me where to put my money. But the truth is, you need a mix. Smart money portfolio for 2025 looks like this. For someone in their 20s or 30s, 60% stocks, index funds and select growth stocks, 20% crypto, BTC, ETH, and 1 to 2 solid altcoins, 20% savings or cash, high yield accounts or short-term bonds. If you're older or more risk averse, flip that. 60% savings and bonds, 30% stocks, 10% crypto, if any. Why this works? You grow with innovation. Hedge against fiat collapse and have safety for emergencies. Here's what most finance influencers won't tell you. It's not just where you invest, it's when and how consistently. Dollar cost averaging beats trying to time the market. The goal isn't just to grow money, it's to build freedom. And the biggest trap in 2025? Sitting in fear and doing nothing. If you wait for the perfect time, you'll miss the compounding magic that only shows up when you start now. That's it, DeepMind Daily fam. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button like it owes you money. Drop a comment. Are you team crypto, stocks, or savings in 2025? Subscribe for more raw, real, and research-backed money talk every week. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Stay mindful, stay wealthy. Peace out.